What is up, F It Outdoors? So we've been grinding this week, and weather in southeastern Indiana, typical weather, you know, sub-zero at the beginning of the week. Weekend rolls around at 60 degrees and raining. So couldn't really get on the ice this weekend. We tried going up to the spillway where I made that one video. That wasn't happening. There was crap ton of people there. We fished it for about an hour and a half, and we weren't getting any bites. It wasn't looking like it was going to happen. And then we tried to get on a pond that had some ice on it, but it was too sketch. So I have a video from the beginning of the week that I didn't post in case this happened. That way I could put out a video for you guys. It's not my best work, but I went ice fishing in a snowstorm, and we caught a couple. We didn't kill them, but we caught enough to make a video out of it. So enjoy. I hope you like it. Alright, so here goes nothing. I'm not real sure how this is going to play out, but I got tired sitting in the house. I had to go do something. Sometimes you just got to say F it and get outdoors, you know what I'm saying? Get that old wax worm off of there. Now, I don't know if this is going to work. All my wax worms are dead. So I did bring some spike it. So what I'm going to try to do is put a half soft wax worm on here. Put one there like that. Figured I'd get him in some of that. Oh, getting it all over myself. And we'll just give it a try here. Got fish already? Oh! Did you guys see that? They're down there. I'm just bouncing that thing. Oh, I had one on there, I think. Got him. Fish on. Look at the size of that bluegill, boys. Heck yeah. Nice. Big old lift bluegill. See that blue dot right there in the back of its fin? Oh, buddy, that's not a good move, buddy. Let me help you out here. Get back in that water. There you go. There you go. Well, that answers that question. There are panfish in here.
Some pretty decent ones, I might add. Pretty decent panfish right there. I ran into somebody that used to fish this pond as a kid. I told them I had permission to come here and go fishing. And they told me that when they were a kid, their dad used to bring them up here and they'd one right after another. Just dip it in, pull one out. One right after another. So like I said, I'm using dead waxworms and I'm dipping it in Spike It. Well, these waxworms ain't all the way hard yet. They've just turned black and died. So I figured with a little bit of stink off of the waxworm and the stink off the Spike It, we might be able to get them to do something here. I'm gonna catch and release all the fish I catch today. I mean, yes, I do love eating bluegill, but the one thing I love more than that is watching my kids catch them. So I had a feeling they might be by this dock. This dock comes out here only probably 10-12 foot off the bank. It feels like I'm probably I don't know, 7-8 foot deep. I'm just giving it little wiggles. I don't feel like they're directly on the bottom though. I feel like they might be up just a little bit. And that was pretty cool. Oh, there's a bite. Oh, I missed him. Missed him. Got him. Oh, little largemouth. I bet you it's the same one I missed earlier. Little largie. And go back in there. I don't know how well the quality of this is going to be. Everything's wet. Everything's getting wet. Well, that's pretty cool. This turned into a sweet little find, this pond right here. Alright folks, I'm back. Gino's here finally. Now I can, we can get a little rambunctious here if we want to.
7 hours, 26 minutes. Alright, let's put our... See, look at this guy right here, huh? Oh my God, that stinks bad.
Oh yeah. That green stuff stinks good, dude.
What, about a foot off?
Yes. I'm all over the place.
All the above.
Yeah. Fish.
Little bass.
Just so you know, I wasn't bullshitting you. They seems to be working. Oh, there's it. I'm brushing that up. Just put it right back in there. I just missed one. I just had a tug.
Well, I'll tell you what. I guess this is the only time I ever hold the pole right-handed.
I switch back and forth. It's got another bite. It won't take it, it's just hitting it. Probably a little minute bluegill.
Collar, maybe?
I brought that jigging wrap with me. Also, have a hard time getting away from what I'm confident in. You're on the juice of the dinks.
Yeah, buddy. What Bobby say that? Won't starve.
Won't starve, yeah.
They know where they're heading back to, though. I figured one of them little guys is just to bring over the big guy. I like strangling going down in there.
Well, it's probably what's hitting mine and not taking it. 'Cause I don't know if them things are big enough to take this hook I got.
You could be right. Like that, everything's so small. Because that's what normally they're doing, trying to catch that panfish. You going crazy? Hey, I mean that's almost a half a sandwich.
Almost.
Alright, so that pretty much does it for that video. I guess the lesson to take from that video is, you know, fish them fronts coming in like that. Usually the fish are biting. Don't be scared to to endure the elements, to get out there and catch something. Like I said it in the video, I couldn't sit in the house anymore. Sometimes you just gotta say F it and get outdoors. So if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment below. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it, and look forward to getting some more videos out to you as soon as I can. Stick with us. All right, like always, when you can, say F it, get outdoors. Guaranteed it's better than sitting inside doing nothing. See ya.